So today we will do static. The third scope is your static scope. Static scope is also known as class scope. Okay? So static data belongs to the class. Static. Now static is categorized into four in Java. You can have a static data member. You can have a static method. You can have a static block. You can have static input. How many categories of static we have? Static can be used in four contexts. How many contexts? So first let's study what is static data member. So let's take the example of a household in which you have your mom is there, dad is there, and son is there. So mobile phone, will they share the mobile phone, or will each person have its individual exclusive mobile phone? Okay, so each person will have its exclusive mobile phone. Mom will have her mobile, and dad will have his mobile, and son will have his mobile. Okay. Then let's take second example of dresses. Will it be shared across all three of them, or will each have their exclusive pair of dresses? Their qualification. Will they have the same qualification? Each one will have its exclusive set of mom will have her qualification, dad his, son his, right? If they are using Wi-Fi at home, will Wi-Fi also be like this? That mom has her own Wi-Fi, dad has his own Wi-Fi, son has his own Wi-Fi. Is it like this? No, right? This will be shared by all of them in the house. So that data which is shared by all the objects is called as static data. So an individual copy is not made for each object. Okay. The data which is shared by all the objects of the class is known as static data. Okay, first point. Second point, only a single copy of static data exists. Okay, only a single copy of the static static variable, you can say, exists per class. I have, let's say, Wi-Fi. So how many Wi-Fi will they have in the house? Single. Okay, one Wi-Fi. Let's say now if we have a refrigerator, fridge. So where will the fridge go? Over here. That also will become static because you can have multiple static data, but for each static data only one single copy will be maintained of that static variable. So only one single fridge, one single Wi-Fi, and all of them will access this static data. So mom also will access the same Wi-Fi, dad also will access the same Wi-Fi, and son also will access the same Wi-Fi. Same goes for the fridge also. So an individual copy, so mobile, dress and qualification you can call as instance variables. You can call them as what? Because each individual will have its exclusive, right? So you will access them as this keyword, this dot mobile, this dot dress, this dot qualification. Okay, we will access them as using this. But your Wi-Fi and fridge, this is a class family. The class name is family. Okay, let's say I make it as class family. Assuming, okay, all this is there in the family. So now you will not access mom. Will you say mom dot Wi-Fi, dad dot Wi-Fi, or son dot Wi-Fi? So Wi-Fi will belong to the family. So you will access family dot Wi-Fi. So static data will be accessed with the class name because it doesn't belong to any individual object. Okay. So if I'm writing it inside the class, I will write like this dot mobile, this dot, and outside the class what I will do, I'll make the object family object mom is new family, and then to access the mobile what will I write? Mom dot mobile, right? So instance variable are accessed by the object name. So mobile is an instance variable or a static variable. So instance variable will be accessed using object name. Okay. But if you want to access the Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi will be accessed directly with the class. So static data will be accessed directly with the help of the so instance variable will be accessed by the object. Okay. And the static data will be accessed by the class. Okay. So one thing is permissible, the other thing is advisable. Is there a difference between them or is the same? Okay. So once you become an adult, the Indian penal code or the Indian law allows you to marry once you become 21 as a male. You can marry because you're an adult without the consent of your family and your parents. Even if you don't inform them and you do a marriage and you come home and tell I got married in the court, it is still permissible. But is it advisable? No, right? So I can still access the static data also with the help of the object. This is also permissible. But when you write this code, it will show you a yellow line below. You know, when you see some warnings messages, so it will show you a warning message over there that you are trying to access a static with a object.